This is the Parallel Axis Theorem Calculator, which determines the moment of inertia of an object about any axis parallel to its center of mass axis. Let's look at the input fields. First, select your unit system from the drop-down menu. You can choose between metric, which uses kilograms, meters, and kilogram meters squared, or imperial, which uses slugs, feet, and slug feet squared. For this demonstration, I'm using the metric system. Next, enter the moment of inertia about center of mass, labeled ICM. Then input the mass m of your object. Finally, enter the distance to new axis d, which is the perpendicular distance between the center of mass axis and your new parallel axis. For our example, I'll input a moment of inertia about center of mass of 10 kilogram meters squared, a mass of 10 kilograms, and a distance to new axis of 10 meters. Click Calculate Moment of Inertia. The calculator applies the parallel axis theorem to compute the new moment of inertia about the parallel axis. This result accounts for both the object's original inertia and the additional inertia due to the displacement from the center of mass. Find the link in the description below.